Today we're going to look at how to open the hood in the new 2020 BMWs. They have changed the process. So let's take a look. Let's take a look. And we're going to go. First, we pop up. And as you know, what? There's no more. How do I put it? It can't be done. Oh, the actual trick is very, very simple. You notice here it says 2X. So one more time, and it releases. There's no more latch in this car. So as we can see, twin turbo, twin power. It's a nicely clean car. Actually, this one looks decent amount of room. Beamer actually fixed. Look at all that room. You can actually work on the car this time. This is great. Lots of room. Looks like the intake here, and very nice. So as you see, there's no more latches over here or anywhere to do it. So straightforward. Close, and it's very simple. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you do like it, press the like button and subscribe for more too. Just remember, just 2 times, so double, and it's open. That easy.